Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 204. We start with this box. We're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 7 here, so 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 3 here and a 5 here, so this is our 9. That 5 makes this our 3, 5. For this column now, we're just missing a 9. For this column, we're missing a 6. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 3, 1 here, so 3, 5, and no help here, 1, 3, 5. For this top row, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 1, but I don't see any other help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 6, 4. That 6 makes this our 9, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this box, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 6 here, so 9, 6. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. Got a 4 here and an 8 here, so this is our 3. That 4 makes this our 8, 4. That 3 makes this our 5. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box now, we're just missing an 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 7 here, so 2, 7. That 1 and that 5 makes this our 3, 1. For this bottom row now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this row, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this column, we're missing a 4. For this row, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. And for this box, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.